Okay, number one. The graph of the function f is shown, and it has horizontal tangents at 3 and 6. If g, I'm going to write this down. If g of x is the integral from 0 to 2x of f of t dt, we are looking for what? The value of g prime of 3. So, first of all, what is g prime of x? Okay, I'm going to write it out. What did I do to that side? So I'm going to take the derivative of this side. Did I show you guys this? I don't think I showed you this the other day. I saw this and I thought this explained a lot. When I say this, like dy dx, what does that mean? It means the derivative, right? Okay. What does this mean? It means take the derivative. Okay? They're not the same thing, but it might help you understand. Yeah, they're related to the derivative, but think of it in terms of English. This is a thing. It's a noun. Right? It's the derivative. It's the result. This is a verb. It's an action. It's telling you what to do. Okay? Maybe that helps you a little bit. Well, my point is this. If I say dy dx equals 3x, then the derivative function is 3x. Whereas if I say d dx of 3x, what's it telling me to do? Take the derivative. So this is a thing. This is an action. Okay? So 3 in that case.
So is that basically like y prime equals 3x? You know what I mean?
This means y prime equals 3x, yes. All right. Let's see. Where are we at? So what is g prime of x going to be then? F of 2x, good, times 2. We plug in the bound. We multiply by the derivative of the bound because it's the chain rule, right? You guys okay with this? Okay, we're looking for g prime of 3. So we need f of 2 times 3 times 2. So what's f of 6? F of 6 is negative 1. And then times 2, which is negative 2. So g prime of 3 is negative 2. All right, number 2. F prime is equal to sine of x cubed. Gave you f prime. How many points of inflection does the graph of f have? How do you find points of inflection? Right, depending on how you look at it, it's either when f prime changes direction or f double prime changes signs. Now, a lot of you guys on this last test did not utilize your calculator appropriately. Like when it said, what is the acceleration at t equals 2? Right? You all took the derivative analytically and then you used a calculator to evaluate. Everybody that did that, out of that group, a majority of you took the derivative wrong and therefore got the answer wrong. If it's a calculator problem, don't write down the derivative function. Just take the derivative and evaluate with your calculator. So in this case, you could take the derivative. There's nothing wrong with that. What would the derivative be? Cosine of x cubed times 3x squared. And you're looking for when that function does what? Changes signs. But if we're just looking at a graph of f prime, we're counting how many times it changes direction. So we're looking for what then? Extrema, right? Min or max. So how many was there? Was there 4? Is that right? Okay. So C.